In solar water heating system, we are taking the heat from the sun rays and that are being converted into the heated water. Basically, the supply of a cold water is given to the collector field. In the collector, the solar absorber is located and the number of copper tubes are located in the parallel combination. Whenever the sun rays are falling over the solar collector, the solar absorber absorbs the heat from the sun rays and it is further being given to the copper tubes, and inside the copper tubes the cold water is being flowing. As good as the heat is getting absorbed by the sun rays, this further heat is getting given to the water and the water is getting heated. So basically we are giving the cold water at the lower side and from the upper side we are getting the hot water. As good as the hot water we are giving to the storage tank. In the storage tank, the heat from the water or the heat from the heated water, it is given to the fluid which is flowing inside the storage tank, and further we can utilize this heat for our domestic water heating applications. Basically, the solar water heating application is very much important nowadays. As we know, the fuel cost for heating the water is very high. That if we are comparing the solar water heating system with the electrically heating system or with the help of natural or propane gas heating systems. With the help of controller operates the pump in the on-off system and the cold water is given to the collectors. Basically, the temperature is measured at the upper side and the temperature is also measured as the inlet of the storage tank. As good as this temperature difference is bigger, then the pump is getting operated and the cold water is getting transferred into the collectors. Solar water heating system is a device that uses the solar energy to heat the water for domestic, commercial and industrial needs. Heating of water is the most common application of solar energy in the world. A typical solar water heating system can save up to 1500 units of electricity every year for every 100 liters per day of solar water heating capacity. Mostly in the domestic hot water requirements, we are going for the lower type of solar hot water systems, that is belongs to 100 LPD up to the 1000 LPD. But in the commercial complexes and the industries, basically we require the centralized solar hot water system requirements. Nowadays there is a parabolic solar collectors are coming in the market, which is heating the water up to the steam temperature. So for generation of a steam also, nowadays the solar water heating system is also beneficial. The basic principle of the solar hot water heater is that the water passes through a solar collector and the solar panels that heats the water. As good as the solar panels that we are using in the PV systems, the same principle is applied, but here the heat energy or thermal energy of a sun is utilized to heat the water. The solar collector or panels are in direct contact with the sun and this energy is used to heat the water for various applications. The water then passes to an insulated storage tank that conserves the heated water for the later requirement. There are two variations of the principle, that is the active and passive systems we can use inside the solar water heating systems. In the passive system, basically there is no pump is getting operated. With the help of the thermosiphon phenomenon, this solar water heater is working. In the active type of system, where there is a larger hot water requirement is there, that time with the help of circulating pump and pump controller we are using inside the systems. The active systems uses a pump to move the water basically from the collector or panels to the storage tank, and in the passive systems no power source to move the water but moves the water through the gravity. For lower type of hot water requirements up to the 100 LPD to the 500 LPD, we can go for the passive type of or thermosiphon type of system. Beyond the larger hot water requirements, we can choose the active hot water heating systems.